Let me take you back a few years. I was like many of you, working long hours, juggling responsibilities, and still feeling like I was stuck on a financial hamster wheel. Every month felt like a struggle, and the dream of true financial freedom seemed so far away. But then I decided to take control of my financial future. I dove deep into the world of investing, crypto, and passive income streams. It wasn't easy at first. I made mistakes, hit roadblocks, and faced more than my fair share of skepticism. But every step taught me something new, and every success, no matter how small, proved that building wealth isn't just for the lucky few. It's for anyone willing to learn, hustle smart, and stay consistent. And that's why I started Earn More Dudes. To share what I've learned, the mistakes I've made, and the strategies that actually work, so you can skip the trial and error phase and start seeing results faster. I know where you're coming from, and I know how powerful it feels to finally see progress. This channel is here to give you the tools, guidance, and motivation to make it happen. I believe in you because I've been there. Let's unlock your potential together.